And today I'm just about to go run some errands. I'm so thankful to just been able to wake up. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week. If you're having a bad day, try to make this day, make the best of it. Yeah, see you now.
She know I get that moolah, man. Trap on you, habit. We ballin' every night, baby. Whoa, keep on stopping. No shame in my game. I'm a fiend, I'm an addict. Whoever knocking that door, I told him I got that.
Coi có đang vô không? Sắp vô chứ không có làm cái chân trước nữa.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Today I'm back with another video, but before you to this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up, and be sure to tell a friend to celebrate if you are new here. And today I'm just about to go run some errands. I'm gonna get some hygiene stuff. I also need to get some hair glue. I need to get some melatonin. I just need to read up on all my stuff because I ran out. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Check out the nails. Do y'all see the nails? Hold on, wait. Yeah, see the nails, cute, super cutesy. Yeah, that's really all I'm gonna do. I really don't want to do it, but I gotta go. I hate having to leave. Like, I just hate when I don't want to leave the house when I'm in the mood. I just want to stay in my house. I don't want to do any human connection. I just want to just outside, you know? Because I got a busy week ahead of me. But I know I gotta come make this stuff because, I mean, come on, girl. I'm like, get up. Quit being lazy. So I'm about to go there, and I can't have y'all driving with me because of course I gotta listen to my music because I gotta get like amped up to just even do this stuff, like, and go deal with this. Y'all know how it be. Whenever I just be in a mood, I gotta turn my music on and just hopefully I just catch a vibe. Hopefully I catch a vibe because I'm in my feelings for a couple days. Like, for real, I've been in my feelings for a couple days. Like, we have to be positive, you know what I'm saying? We got to enter this week being positive. I know everything is going to come to me. Like, I just know God has a plan. Like, I'm so thankful to just been able to wake up. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week. So I hope you guys are having a great week so far. If you're having a bad day, try to make this day, make the best of it, you know what I'm saying? You can't complain. Just get up and handle your business. And yeah. So y'all, we're gonna use this. I don't know if I want, I already got a white one. I really want white. I'm gonna do green. Wanna do green? I still got these. I like all my stuff to like really match, so I think I'm gonna get this pink. Everything pink. These are a must. Like, you gotta get these. Like, yeah. So I am in Walmart. I need to come and get me some glue because I ain't got no glue, and I need some hair glue. And what else I need? I don't think I need none of this. I really need some freaking. I really need some. I don't think I need nothing. I got really everything. I just need this because I gotta do my hair. So y'all, the bag is secured. We got the bag, and we're about to go to the house and never come back out because I don't want to come back out. I really don't. I think that's everything that I need. I gotta go home and do my hair because I'm starting my new job tomorrow. Congrats to me, the queen. Yeah, like I said, it's just gonna be this week. I'm moving. And it's just hectic. It's hectic. It's hectic. It feels so good outside. Like, let me get out the way. It's so good, so good. So y'all, this is all this stuff. Look at the nails. Look at the nails, y'all. This is the stuff I got from Burlington. I got a facial hair trimmer because I be needing to like shave like my little mustache. Then I got this. Then we got Jody, get down. Then I got this for me to exfoliate. And also this. And then some tongue scrapers. Then I also got cotton because I be needy. I don't have niggas in my house, baby. This is not the spot. No niggas in my house. This is not that. But anyways, y'all. We're about to go to the gym. So, I'm here, Reagan. Say Reagan.
Hey y'all.
And we're about to go to the gym. First, we're gonna have a little chat. You know, we got a little gossip. And yeah, maybe you like comments and stuff. Yeah, to do like that's all I'll be doing. Yeah. She said she can do like stretches.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get up on the treadmill today. I don't know. The treadmill, I only can do it for like 10 minutes. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Yeah. I didn't even get to show y'all my hair, but it's there. Y'all, I ain't about to move it until I promise what I'm going through.
What you put in the note?
She put some.
You let me slide.
Chill.
Don't see it.
That say lame. She, you feel me? I guess she was talking about someone. No, I don't know what the fuck she had.
And you like
Beat that out. Hey, beat that out.
But y'all, I'm packing. These past 3 days has been like really crazy. That's
bad.
Yeah,
You know,
like
we
it's
don't
been
know
a
how
lot. Like
it's a lot.
I've been really overstimulated. Like, and that's why I wasn't able to. Let me close my door because it's full out. I didn't upload on Tuesday. So here I am, back on Thursday. We back together. I got my hair fixed tonight when I get off work. So I'm probably gonna have to go to bed about 9:30. I'm gonna have to probably go to bed like 9:30 tonight because I gotta get up at 6 in the morning. So, cause you gonna like more on me in it, so that's fine. So yeah, we don't got no choice. We trapping out no choice. We got this. I don't drink cold drinks, y'all. This is not mine. It's a Philly. All he do is drink Cokes. I'm like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? So yesterday I got real thirsty, and I'm just staying here, and I'm going there. It's one more. I really been. So it was you. Like my first go-to is not no Coke. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, it's nice. It depends on where we at. For real. Cause I don't like hot tea. So I don't like hot tea. I like tea. I drink water. Like I'll get water for you.